So the light is on 0. I lock the car. And the right light doesn't go off. It's the light is on park right. Left one is off and right is on. And the switch is on 0. So I want to take this off, turn to the left, pull back and rotate to the right. And you will find here 3 clips. This is 1, 2, 3 and pull back. Take the socket out and let's try to repair this. Okay, you have 3 clips here. Try to disconnect these clips. 1, 2. Okay, and this is the last. Now inside you have 2 springs, which is push the electrical part. Be careful. Slowly. Let the springs there. And this is your problem, this potentiometer. It's dirty. In this case I see it's like scratching. You have another 2 clip here, 1 and 2. I don't see very good contact on pins. All 4 here, here and these 2. These 3 from here. I will check. But the problem is inside the potentiometer there. This part needs to be clean. You cannot take off this cap because inside there is 3 or 2 round copper parts. But I hope it will work if I can clean this part inside. And I will try with contact cleaner or alcohol. First I want to check the connection of pins. Yeah, I have a part which is not soldering. This one. Or not. I'll check again. It's okay. It's okay, no problem. And the last 3. It's okay. Now I want to try the clean inside this part. Okay. After you blow with air, it's dry. Now it's clean. You can go put in your car back. And if I now I'm in this position, I want to clean this one and take off all the part from here. want to put a little bit of grease here. And put back on the car. Okay, put the spring back. Like that. The spring must be in these two holes. I think that's it. Okay, clean the ring. Here is the position. Put back on the switch and rotate to the left. Oops. Let's do it again. Put the ring back. You have this big part in this big hole. And now again, put on a light switch and rotate to the left. Sorry guys, my battery is dead. The switch it's all done. Let's try it. We'll put the socket back. Okay. And put it on park, left park, working, right park, okay, and on 0. Let's lock the car. And the switch panel is repaired. No more problem. The light is off. Everything is okay now. Switch still on 0. Bye.